Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monlisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: Mauhati MLA Charles Marngar urges Ribhoi District Administration to approach Assam government to hand over the arrest case of 3 residents of Meghalaya by Assam Police to Meghalaya Police. Meghalaya College Teachers Association celebrates its 50th Foundation Day at Lady Keane College in Shillong. Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association urges the state government to implement its notification which prohibits collection of taxes from trucks passing through national highways, state roads and major district roads. And Northeastern Students Organization expresses strong opposition to Government of India's intention to make Hindi language as compulsory subject. And now the news in detail. The member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Charles Marngar, who represents Mauhati constituency in Ribhoi district, has submitted 2 memoranda to the Additional Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi district, M. Tongper, in connection with the arrest of 3 persons of Meghalaya from Sabuda Block 2 Ribhoi district by Assam Police on the 10th of this month. One memorandum was sent on behalf of the Sunjuki Rangba Shnong Border Area Block 2 and the other on his personal capacity as an MDC, urging the district administration of Ribhoi to see that the case relating to the arrest of Barson Lawai, Standing Kriam and dispersing Mukim by Assam Police should be handed over to the Meghalaya Police.
Ki Assam ki sim halaka jong ki ki but ban yalami ki but ban register case. Ini kalau ke basusi ban kalian ke jonga kum nong mikman jong ni dong ka than dapat pau ke jing sosi but ke jing penrem jo ya polis Assam. But aku juga poro kalian ke jonga oi deputy commissioner umran lai kendo I ba tongper ibadi ADM ban kalian ke jong I marmari yang ban phano ban forward no gini ke home political ban ye kren marmar ban nang tena jerong kintu klari ni kam nang ba ban yo ban transfer no ye gini ke case nang tena Meghalaya Assam Police sha Meghalaya Police.
The Meghalaya College Teachers Association today celebrated its 50th Foundation Day at Lady Keane College in Shillong. The Rajya Sabha member Dr. W.R. Kharluki, who represents Meghalaya, was the chief guest on the occasion. The Meghalaya Additional Chief Secretary D.P. Walang graced the occasion as the guest of honor. Professor T.K. Kharbamon, the Vice Chancellor of Martin Luther Christian University, was also present on the occasion. The chief guests and other dignitaries were felicitated by the office bearers of the Meghalaya College Teachers Association. The Golden Jubilee of Meghalaya College Teachers Association began with a welcome address by Dr. D.K.B. Mukim, Principal of Lady Keane College. The President of Meghalaya College Teachers Association, Dr. B.H. Buam, in her presidential address said,
"And a warm welcome to one and all present in today's function, a momentous occasion. We are inspired by your presence, and we would be more inspired if this hall is full with other members because they are trickling and we express regret for the sake. It is an honoured privilege to have the esteemed presence."
The Golden Jubilee of the Meghalaya College Teachers Foundation Day was also marked by a panel discussion on status of education in Meghalaya, a retrospection.
Because if you do not have diversity in education, then you're missing out on something really important. And you spoke about the languages that we need to learn. We have a lot of students in China studying medicine, studying, the IIM Shillong has some kind of sort of a tie-up with institutions in China. It's important to learn Chinese. The Japanese are investing heavily in the northeastern region and they want to have students from here to go and look at Japan, study Japan, and their students from Japan to come here. We need to study Japanese.
The leaders of Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owner and Drivers Association today urged the state government to implement its notification which prohibits collection of taxes from trucks passing through the national highways, state roads and major district roads in letter and spirit. Speaking to the media at Shillong Press Club, the leaders of this organization said that despite this notification, the toll gates erected by the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and HIMAS still continue to collect taxes from the commercial and private trucks passing through them.
Ban up ban bor ban yin ay bisa menta ki shim san spa la sha hedin bal up ki police pin siu biang kum la sha lawan ki pan shi hajar double naka ka ba ai te naka liang jung yin shu kwa ban request bat kum ju sarkar ba la kum no mot ba dei kan ya kai order ka ba la ka dei ban pentri kambe kat kum ka ani ke kan persuk yang ye ka ya ki members ke jing ye kaya ke yen ju ki trok.
The Northeastern Students Organization, comprising 8 prominent student bodies from the 7 northeastern states today, expressed strong opposition to the Government of India's intention to make Hindi language as compulsory subject till class 10. In a letter sent to the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, NESO said that through these massive organizations would like to express its strong opposition to the proposal in the recently concluded Parliamentary Official Language Committee that the subject of Hindi language, a component of the modern India language, will be made compulsory till class 10 in all the 8 northeastern states. NESO said that in the northeastern region, each state bears its own unique and diversified languages spoken by different ethnic groups ranging from Indo-Aryan to Tibeto-Burman to Austroasiatic families. In the region, a native or indigenous language or a mother tongue is an important marker for a community. Native or indigenous language are being further enriched in terms of all aspects such as literature, academics and arts. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.